Bagarabon Beach Hotel is a wildlife beach resort in Barangay Mabua, Surigao City, nestled between lush mountains and the clear waters of Mabua Pibol Beach. It's known for a scenic location where mountains meet the sea, a perfect blend of nature, relaxation, and adventure for both local and foreign tourists.
Hiyas na inilatag sa malasot lang dagat at ang bayan niyang pinili nasa dulo ng bahaghari, kaya't 1,000 kulay nangakit kumakaway. Piliin
Escape to the stunning shores of Mount Bagarabon Beach Resort in Surigao City, where crystal clear waters meet lush mountain landscapes. This unique resort offers a refreshing beach experience on Mabua Pibol Beach, spectacular sunset views, nature-like scenic viewpoints, and a peaceful gateway with modern amenities. Whether you're out for adventure or relaxation, Mount Bagarabon is your perfect travel destination in Surigao del Norte.
sa masisiglang indah, mga puso'y lumilipad. Piliin mo ng Pilipinas, ang tulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang at ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. May lambing na tumutuyan sa buong pakiramdam. Piliin mo ng Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Dito ay tinadhana, araw-buwan at mga tala, ganap na maglilingin, kailan may di magdidilim.
Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, but the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come and shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, info bueno on the TV screen. This is like a samba. Only to Manila with the hitting and drums. Yeah, she shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And shut the game up to Philippines, throw it out that. Though we're big solving, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of PVC pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Come and visit
Mount Bagarabon Beach Resort.